Hi, in this video I will show you how to fold this origami tulip. So to make this tulip we will need 2 square sheets of paper, 1 green paper and 1 paper in whatever color you want, and we will need a pair of scissors. So let's start off by making the flower. Make sure that you begin with the white side up and fold diagonally. Once you've done that, grab a corner and fold the corner up to somewhere around here. Make sure that you fold somewhere on the middle here, on the middle line. Now grab this corner and repeat on this side. Like this. Now turn the model over, and we want to make a fold which goes from here to here. Something like this. And repeat on this side. So that's how we make the flower bit. Now let's start by making the stem. Make sure that you have the white side up and fold diagonally. Open the paper up. And we want to align this edge to the crease we've just made. Like this, and repeat on this side. Now turn the model like this, and we want to align this edge to the middle crease. And make a fold right here. And do the same thing. Now turn the model one more time, and we will do the same thing on this side and on this side. Now fold the model from this point to this point. Like this. And now fold in half. Now to make this stem, as you can see, you have one flap here. Grab this flap and shift it to the middle, like this. And make a fold on the bottom. Now the stem is also finished. Now in order to connect the flower with the stem, we will need a pair of scissors. And we want to make a small cut right here. Something like this. And we want to insert the stem on this small hole of the flower. Like this. And now your origami tulip is finished.